Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about passive income. What is passive income, the benefits of passive income, and how to have a passive income. So let's start with the video.
What is passive income? Passive income is an income that is received automatically with little requirement of maintenance. With active income, the money you earn is directly correlated to the time you work. But in passive income, the passive income continues to pay you long after the work has been completed. With active income, when you do not work, you cannot earn. But in passive income, even if you don't work today, still you will earn. Investment for passive income may be in form of money, time or service. The investment in passive income can be for a long duration. In initial stages, you may need to invest a lot of time, but once this investment is done, the benefit is for a long run. Benefits of passive income. Passive income gives you the freedom of time. Time is far more valuable than money. While money can be spent and earned, time can only be used up but just once. After that time has passed, it's gone forever. You can never physically relive that moment again. But in passive income, the time which you have invested in the earlier stages will also contribute in your present income and also in future income. It reduces your stress, anxiety, and fear of the future. As you are not heavily dependent on your active income, you your stress is relieved. You don't have the fear of the future. You don't have that anxiety to work more hard and pay the bills. Passive incomes allows you to pursue the things which you love doing other than just doing the work for paying the bills. Suppose there are many ways to earn money through passive income by doing the things which you like. In further section of the video, we'll discuss the same things. For passive income, you really don't need to be present at a fixed location. You can work from anywhere. You have that feasibility to work at any time from any place. As I told you earlier, it provides you a platform for financial stability and growth. When you have passive income in the background, there will be not a situation where you will find a sudden financial crisis or disaster. So now the question is how to have passive income. There is a list of few easy things which you can do to have passive income. First is you can rent your unused property, or also you can rent your car on many of the websites to earn passive income. Second is selling your photos online. If you are a good photographer, you can sell your best photos on good website like Shutterstock, etc. to earn money. Taking service. Many of the websites and applications nowadays are providing an opportunity to you to earn money by taking this service. You just need to answer the simple questions and they will give you reward in terms of money. Next is YouTube videos. You can you can create YouTube videos and upload them on YouTube for passive income. You can make informative videos or daily vlogging videos. Next is reviewing the book. If you are a good reader, you can use this opportunity for reviewing the books. There are many people out there looking for a review before they could start the book. You can make the book review in the form of blog or in the form of video. This can be a good passive income. Next is writing and self-publishing a book. Though writing a book is not that easy, but many of the people have used this as a passive income. They have wrote down their life experiences to publish a book, and that book acts as a passive income. Next is affiliate marketing. Online shopping websites like Amazon, etc. provide you the opportunity of selling their products online by affiliate marketing. Next is designing of t-shirt logos and graphic online. There are many companies looking for design of the logos, t-shirts, etc. So if you are kind of a graphic designer, you can use this opportunity to earn passive income. Next is the vending machine. You can purchase a vending machine and install it at a particular location with the filled with the products which you want to sell. Even if you are not present there, the product will be sold and you will get the money. Next is online teaching course. Nowadays, this is becoming a popular type of passive income, as many of the people do not find time to have offline courses. They always look for good online courses. If you are more kind of a good teacher, or you have that skills to teach someone, you can use this opportunity to earn passive income. Next is investment in business. If you have a knowledge of shares and marketing, you can use this knowledge for investing your money in the business. Or maybe you can see any startup and invest your money in the same to earn the passive income. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you find this video as helpful, please give this video a like and a thumbs up, and also comment your feedback. As I'm new on YouTube, I would like to know what things I can improve in my further videos.